Hello, amazing kids, and welcome to our special learning adventure here at BrightCHAMPS. Have you ever wondered how we know how tall we are, or how heavy a juicy red apple is? Or exactly how long an exciting race takes to finish? Man running red apple watch. All these questions are answered by the incredible magic of measurement. Glowing star. So, what is measurement? It means comparing something unknown, like a table's length, with a known standard unit. It's a super helpful way to describe the world around us in clear terms, its size, weight, time, and even temperature. Why is measurement so important? We use it every day when we cook delicious meals, play exciting sports, embark on fun travels, or even just notice ourselves growing taller. It helps us compare different things, calculate amounts accurately, and understand the world much better. Imagine trying to bake a yummy cake without carefully measuring ingredients. Oops. Birthday cake grinning face with wet it would be a big mess. Long ago, people measured things in different ways, like with hand spans or by counting footsteps. Those were called non-standard units. But now we use clever standard units like meters for length, kilograms for weight, and seconds for time. This ensures everyone measures things the same way, no matter where they are in the world. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Alright, time for a fun challenge. Thinking face if 1 meter has 100 centimeters, how many centimeters are in 2 meters? Take a moment to think. That's absolutely right, 200 centimeters. Party Bopper, you're all so smart. Measurement is everywhere, from the time you wake up alarm clock to the water you drink droplet. It's one of the most useful math skills you will ever learn and use. Keep exploring and measuring. Ready to discover more amazing things and shape your future with numbers? Join us at BrightCHAMPS.